Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to be making paper photo frames out of paper, and paper and cardboard. So you need paints, papers and papers or color papers and some paints and some cardboards. So let's get started. So you need to take a piece of paper like this, as you can see, and then you have to fold it like this, as you can see right now. You have to do two folds and then take a scissors and cut it. So guys, now you actually need 4 pieces, and then what you have to do right now we are going to show you. So guys, now what you have to do is you have to take a pencil and roll the paper sheet like this. So guys, we have made paper rolls like this. Now you need 8 pieces like this to make. So then after making that 8 pieces, we are going to show you what to do. So you have to take some white paint. First you have to take some white paint. Then you have to paint it around this paper sheet right here. You have to paint it. So guys, as you can see, we have now we have made 3 paints. So you actually need to do paint 8 papers because we need 8. So now it's we have to take green paint and coat it on it. So guys, as you can see, we have to make it like this. So yeah. So guys, we have made 8 green pieces of paper. I mean rolls of paper. And now you have to take a cardboard piece. So guys, now you have to take a cardboard piece, then you have to stick that fork to it. Now guys, you have to take a white paper of your choice and then you have to stick it to the cardboard piece you have taken. So guys, notice one thing, it's your choice of paper what you want to take. It's not really you need to take that white paper which we have to, so it's your choice to take it. So now guys, so you have to take A4 color paper and then you have to cut the parts where it's exceeding. So you have to cut the borders of the cardboard behind the borders. So as you can see, cut the extra piece which is exceeding the cardboard. Yeah. So guys, now you have to take a photo piece of your choice and stick it. First stick it, then we'll keep the borders. Guys, you have to stick it like this. So now it's time to stick the borders. So you can make flowers for the decoration and then you have to stick it. So guys, now you have to take the poles or the rolls you have made out of paper and colored with green. That you have to take and stick it on the borders of the frame. So like this right now. So you have to be very careful about this because it might go out a little more if you don't cut the extra piece of the paper right here. So guys, as you can see, we have made the photo frame. So now it's time to stick the flowers. So guys, now you have to take different colors of paper and you have to draw the petals and the circle of the flower, as you can see right now. So guys, you have to make petals and then you have to cut it. So So guys, now you have to make it like this, 2 pink and 2 yellow. It's your wish that you can make any color of your choice, and then you have to stick it. So guys, as you can see, we have made the entire photo frame. So you can stick the two same colors on the opposite side and two different colors on the opposite side. How to make this hole means you have to take a knife or a scissor, then make a small hole, not that much big hole but small hole, and peel it off. Then take a rectangular longer cardboard piece, and then make it like this, and then you have to make and fold and then stick inside it, and then your hanger or the holder for the photo frame is done. So guys, as you can see, you have to try to stick it like, so guys, you have to make it like this, as you can see, and then your entire photo frame is ready with the holder. So if you guys love this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button, and turn on the post notifications for more interesting and amazing art and craft items. Until that, peace, stay home, stay safe, beware of corona, bye.